Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners English Urdu speaking course for tourists and beginners. This is our lesson number 2. Let's start.
Share, subscribe, iFactioner.
Make it less. Come karo. Come less karo do. Come karo. Make it less. Come karo. I don't know. नहीं पता. नहीं not पता no. नहीं पता. I don't know. नहीं पता. Can I take a photograph? Photo बना लूं. Photo is photograph. बना make लूं. Can. Photo बना लूं. Can I take a photograph? Photo बना लूं. A little bit. Thori, thori. Thori means less. Thori means less. Thori, thori. A little bit. Thori, thori. Let's go. Chalo. Chalo. Go. Let's go. Chalo. Stop. ठहरो. ठहरो. Stop. ठहरो. Stop. ठहरो. I have it. मेरे पास है. मेरे I पास with है is. मेरे पास है. I have it. मेरे पास है. Where are we? हम कहाँ हैं? हम we कहाँ where हैं are. हम कहाँ हैं? Where are we? हम कहाँ हैं? Do you have tea? चाय है. चाय tea है is. चाय है. Do you have tea? चाय है. How much? कितने हुए? कितने how हुए? Been. कितने हुए? How much? कितने हुए? Thank you. शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया. Thank you. शुक्रिया. Thank you. शुक्रिया. Okay. ठीक है. ठीक fine है is. ठीक है. Okay. ठीक है. Leave me. Leave it. छोड़ो. छोड़ो. Leave. छोड़ो. Leave me. Leave it. छोड़ो. Don't come near me. Pass now. Pass. Near. Na not आओ come. Pass ना आओ. Don't come near me. Pass ना आओ. Where is the bus station? Bus station कहाँ है? Bus is bus. Station is station. कहाँ where है is. Bus station कहाँ है? Where is the bus station? Bus station कहाँ है? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. Please like it and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.